فرش التراب يضمني وهو غطاء.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألهاكم التكاثر حتى زرتم المقابر كلا سوف تعلمون ثم كلا سوف تعلمون كلا لو تعلمون علم اليقين لترون الجحيم ثم لترون عين اليقين ثم لتسألون يومئذ عن النعيم. This is a Makki surah, and like many other short surahs, its meaning is profound. What Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying to us through this surah is a heavy warning. Alhaakum takathur. For how long are you going to be busy in your heads and your minds thinking of your dunya, chasing the material goods? Even when we came to this janazah, brothers, a majority of us guilty, thinking, what time will this finish? What time do I have to be at this place and that place? We don't think of our own death here and now. Al-Jum'ah, we came to the Friday prayer thinking, when is it going to finish? When am I going to leave it? When Yawm al-Qiyamah is going to happen on Al-Jum'ah. How often do Muslims come to the Jum'ah knowing today might be the day of judgment? Today might be the day the clouds will come and Allah will call. But we don't think that. We think it will be delayed and there will be respite further and further. But He said it's temporary. You'll be called out from the grave. You won't stay there. And in another tafsir from Ibn Kathir and others, they say that Allah is threatening you and I. It is a threat. ألهاكم التكاثر. For how long is the dunya going to keep you away from me, in your mind, in your heart? حتى زرتم المقابر. Wait till I get you in the grave. This verse is a heavy verse for you and I to reflect upon. That is Allah going to get us in our grave, or are we going to go to Allah in our grave, as the Shaykh mentioned? Are we going to Him happily, or are we going to Him with withdrawal symptoms, with fears? So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says to us, Kalla, Kalla, get your attention. Kalla, all the things of the dunya you chase, useless will it be when you come here. It will not benefit you. Don't bring me the good. And remember, this surah, brothers, is speaking about halal things. We're not talking about haram dunya. The surah is talking about halal, chasing, trying to get married, chasing, trying to get a bigger house, chasing, trying to get better dunya, more children, etc. It's talking about halal things. حتى زرتم المقابر. كلا, useless will those things be. سوف تعلمون.
والمال أين هناؤه صار ورائي والاسم أين بريقه بين الثناء والمال أين هناؤه صار ورائي والاسم أين بريقه بين الثناء. هذه نهاية حالي فرش التراب يضمني وهو غطائي حول الرمال تلفني بل من ورائي